Hi guys, I'm back up here metal detecting again today. It's been a while, but as you can see, I'm wearing my Excalibur Shovels merch. It's a nice hot day today, and so wanted to get out here in the morning. And the cows have been in the corral eating down the vegetation for fire break, and they got into my well, I had left my nice Excalibur shovel here, and it's still nice, but just a little dirty. But they bumped my bucket of fines from last time. So that is broken. But that's okay. And so let's see what we can find today. Mount Hood looks beautiful. Well, I found this thing sitting here on the surface. It looks like, oh, it's rubber. Oh, I think it's just the end, probably of some, maybe something you squeeze. I don't know. Just trash. Okay, I got my first signal right here, so let's see what that is. Okay, it sounds like something somewhat large. What could it be? Oh, what is this? It looks like that special material. Yes, baling wire. You know, there's a lot of baling wire around here because that's what hay used to be baled with, and we used it for all kinds of things. I mean, this is great for fixing things. Oh man, there's just a lot of it there. So I'll clean that up and see what else we can find. Okay, found 3 nails and some more wire and a larger piece of wire that's in the bucket. So let's see what else we can find. I thought I heard something else in this hole, but let's see. Well, I'm using my AT Pro, and I turned off everything lower than 40 because there's just so much stuff here. So I think I got all the wire to that hole. But what's right there? Well, let's check that out. Well, I got this big old nail. And something right there. Let's see what it is. So I just dug out this piece of iron from there, and there's something beeping under that clump of grass that's in the 90s. So, and it seems quite large, or there's more than one thing. So I didn't want to dig out the nice grass, but we'll see what we can do there. Well, this is not the target in the hole. This is ringing up a high iron. But I don't know what it is. I wonder if any of you do. Maybe it's some horse tack. Well, I turned over that clump of, actually it's a native grass, and I found this, which I'll clean up in a little bit to look at it closer. But it has signals all over the place, this one. And there's some more over here in the hole, so let's see what else we can find. So I dug up this item. It has a lot of mixed signals in it. And I scraped out some of the stuff with a nail. You can see there's something that sticks out here and maybe on the other side too. But there's threads around the outside of this. And this is heavy. So I'm wondering if this is some sort of thing that was a cap that twisted in something. Maybe a fuel barrel or something on a machine. Maybe you guys know. I don't really. Let me know in the comments. So you guys, I found this down deep. And it doesn't appear to be a nail. It seems like it might be square at the top. Yes, I don't know what this is. Let me see what it ringed up on the AT Pro. Well, I'm going to stop for today, and this is what I found. So this item was ringing up anywhere from a 2 to 32 on the Garrett AT Pro. And then I found some other stuff. This is kind of heavy, so I don't think it's a bottle opener. And it's in a place where there was people had a shop and kind of a store here by this old building from the 1880s. So there was probably things going on here. And I do find a lot of horse tack. So I'm thinking it might be from something to do with cinching up a horse or something. And this item, interesting, and that rang up really good. You can see the lines right there, and maybe it's screwed into a barrel or something. Reminds me of the things that screw into the fuel tanks. Bunch of wire, including teeny tiny pieces. So I'm going to stop for now. It's getting hot. Oh, and I found this rivet from the horse tack. All right. Well, had fun out here with the metal detector, digging up the corral. So we'll see what we can find next time. Have a great day, everybody. Well, I got my grass filled in again, and guess what I found? Some coal or something. Something burned here. I don't know how old it is. Join me in these other videos for some more treasure hunting. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. In next week's adventure, I have already found something that's pretty cool. So please come back next week. Thanks for watching.